Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix PS4 not working with black background saying, cannot start the PS4. Are you also facing this issue? Don't worry, I got you. Normally this happens when your PS4 needs to reinstall your software or you don't update your PS4 regularly. Let's get started. Step 1. You need a computer or laptop and a USB pen drive to reinstall the software for your PS4. Step 2. Go ahead and put the USB pen drive into your computer. Step 3. Go to the link in the description below. It directly takes you to this website and go ahead download the software. Step 4. While the software is downloading into your computer, now you need to create a folder named PS4. Within the folder create another folder named on Update. After the software finished downloading, you need to copy, paste or drag the file into the Update folder you created. Make sure the file is named as PS4 update pub. Step 6. Turn on your PS4. Now, take the USB pen drive out from the computer and plug into your PS4. Connect your wireless controller to your PS4 by cable like this.